Are you ready to learn how to make $250 just by typing names? And this is not a joke. This may seem crazy, this may seem weird, but you can do this no matter where you are from in the world, no matter where you currently are in the world, Zambia, Zimbabwe, whatever. You can do this any age, and you can do this. This is free, okay? And you can get paid $250. And if you come over here to my computer, I am gonna show you how to do this real quick. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's get to it. One, two, and a half. That's how much money you can make from a single job on this website. Now, I'm going to get right into it. The way this works is that companies need to come up with name ideas, and there's a lot of people like me who are very uncreative that cannot figure out a good name for a software, a product, or a service, or a whatever, and we need better ideas. And there are business owners that come on this site. It's called squadhelp.com. Now, check out my screen right here, squadhelp.com. And business owners come on here, they list projects, and they pay people like you to come up with names for them. So the way it works is you're going to come up with names for somebody's startup, or for somebody's company, or for somebody's brand. Whatever it is, you're gonna help them come up with the name, and if you come up with the best name, they're going to pay you. Now let's check this out, because you might be thinking I'm crazy. By the way, if you think I'm totally nuts for some of these income earning ways you can do stuff, type in crazy in the comments below. If you think I'm totally nuts for showing this stuff off to everyone, just type in crazy in the comments. So now if you go over to this page where it says contests and then you click on winners, you'll come here and it'll show you the different winners. So this guy, AJ Hibb, made $100 for coming up with the name for somebody's website, dougalbit.com, okay? Here's another one. Zishan came up with a logo for a company, made $150. So here's Chef Track. He came up with a name for a website, cheftrack.com. Holly Girl got paid she got paid $500, okay? Coming up with the name for an app. Okay, we got Intrillex for a name for leadership consultancy. This person made $300. Folks, it can't get any easier coming up with names for companies and getting paid money. I mean, it just seems crazy. You can get paid so many ways in this day and age. I'm just mind blown. And here's one more creator, Raj Vema, who got paid, twice in one day. Got paid $150, then $300. And here's another person, Aryo, he's from Indonesia, and he's made over $3,000 helping name companies with this site, okay? So how Squad Help actually works is basically you're helping people name their company and find domains for their company. It's very simple. Now, I'm going to show you one quick way that you can actually come up with names even if you're not very creative right now. But as you see, it's typically a 1 to 14-day process until a winner is selected. And then you get to get your money, okay? So let's go into Squad Help. Let's look at some of the projects and let's see how you can actually compete in this. So now if you actually want to sign up to make money by helping name companies, where you would go is you'd go to this top bar and then you'd click Become a Creative, okay? Because that's what you're considered. If you're creating stuff, you're a creative. So you'd go there and you'd go through their sign up process to become a creative. And they have more information here. Basically, you submit your ideas, you earn cash if you're selected, and etc. And they go over all the questions here, blah, blah, blah. And it's worldwide. Now, I just logged into the marketplace and I just signed up, and I'm going to look for some contests. So I'm in the marketplace and I'm going to look in their contests, active contests right there. So I'm going to go to active contests. Okay, let's see. Okay, name for nonprofit dinner gala and the amount I'll get paid is $100, and it says guaranteed prize. So let's see this. So I click on the entry, and we see that they have, they get some explanation about this. They say it's for CEOs, corporate CEOs. They participate in, there's all this information here. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do this really easily here, okay? I'm going to go over to Business Name Generator, okay? And this is businessnamegenerator.com. And to come up with some ideas, I'm actually going to type in non-profit dinner gala. I'm going to search, boom, and we got some ideas here. This is kind of interesting. We have Dinercio, Nonprofitly, Nonprofit Loud, Dinner Corral, Dinner Bliss, Nonprofit Squad. So we start getting some ideas. Now, if we really want to go to the next level, we can see, Penny for Many, Support the Sport. We can see what they like, okay? So we could put in some more ideas based on what they, what they like, or what other information, Heart Healthy Cook-Off, right? We're putting together a new fundraising event for the American Heart Association's Go Red for Women. So, I'm going to type that in, Go Red, Go Red for Women. I'm just going to type that in and see if it comes up with any ideas, So, and you could use these ideas and you can submit them, and if any of them work, you get paid $100. So you can go through this, but it's very easy to do, very simple. It's free to sign up. You can do this anywhere in the world. It's never been easier. And even people like Aryo from Indonesia, this weird looking thing he has here, has made $3,000. Now, just to give you an idea of how much money $3,200 is for somebody in Indonesia, the average monthly salary in Indonesia is $250 a month. So timesing that by 12 means that this kid, Arya, made more than a yearly income of the average Indonesian just by picking names online. Guys, that's awesome. Congratulations to Aryo, and you can be that person too. Guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you just got your mind blown by this. And if you can do this too, type in I can do this, right? Because it is possible, and there are so many options and opportunities available for us today to work for ourselves and not have to work a corporate job anymore. And I'm going over different methods to make money every single day. So you can drop out of school, you can quit your job, and you can live a life of freedom. Now, make sure to slam that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell and join the Money Club, which is next to the subscribe button, if you want to do what I do for a living, which is called affiliate marketing. If you want to be an affiliate marketer too, this year I'm on track to about $2 million profit. So if I make $2 million this year, I'm going to show you how you can do that. I made over $1 million last year, and you can learn how to do what I do if you join the Money Club. So otherwise, check out more videos of me. Leave a comment. You can do this too. Drop out of school, quit your job, take back control of your life. Stop letting your social media use you and start using it to make money and live a life of freedom. People, see you in the next video. Talk to you soon.